Hey travelers, planning your next trip? Today, we're diving into the world of travel insurance. Whether you're jet-setting across the globe or taking a weekend getaway, understanding travel insurance options can save you a lot of headaches and cash. So, let's break down the top types of travel insurance and figure out which ones are really worth it. First, why even bother with travel insurance? Well, it's all about protection. Imagine getting sick on a remote island or having your flight canceled last minute. That's where travel insurance steps in. It covers those unexpected costs that can turn a dream vacation into a financial nightmare. Let's start with the most popular, trip cancellation and interruption insurance. This one covers you if something comes up, like a sudden illness or a family emergency, and you need to cancel. It also kicks in if you have to cut your trip short because of something unexpected. Imagine booking flights, hotels, and tours, only to lose all that money if you can't go. That's what this insurance is for. It usually covers things like illness, family emergencies, or even certain natural disasters. But here's the catch. Not all reasons are covered. So if you change your mind or there's a pandemic, some policies might not pay out. Next up, medical and emergency evacuation insurance. This is especially important if you're going abroad. Some health insurance plans don't cover medical costs outside your home country. So if you get injured or fall sick, you'd be on your own. This type of insurance covers things like hospital bills, doctor visits, and even emergency evacuations if you need to be flown back home for treatment. If you're doing adventurous activities like skiing or scuba diving, double check that your policy covers those too. Ever had your luggage lost or damaged? That's where baggage insurance comes in. It reimburses you if your bags or personal items are lost, stolen, or damaged during your trip. Most policies have a cap though, so you might not get the full value of expensive items like laptops or cameras. Also, check if your airline or credit card already covers this. You don't want to pay for the same coverage twice. Now, this one's a bit serious. Accidental death and dismemberment insurance, or AD&D. It provides benefits if you experience a serious injury or worse during your trip. Think of it as life insurance just for travel. If you already have a life insurance policy, you might skip this, but if not, it could be worth considering for extra peace of mind, especially if you're traveling somewhere remote. One of the most flexible options is cancel for any reason or CFAR insurance. This lets you cancel your trip for, well, any reason. Maybe you just don't feel like going or something came up at work. With CFAR, you typically get back about 50 to 75% of your prepaid trip costs, depending on the policy. Keep in mind, it's more expensive than standard cancellation insurance, but gives you way more flexibility. If you're renting a car, you'll probably get hit with the question, do you want to add insurance? Some travel insurance policies offer rental car coverage, which can help if there's an accident or damage to your rental vehicle. Your credit card might already cover this if you book with it. So check your card's benefits before buying extra insurance. So, with all these options, how do you pick the right one? Here are a few quick tips to make it easy. Number 1, compare policies. Use comparison sites to look at different options side by side and see what's covered and what's not. Number 2, check exclusions and limits. Always read the fine print. Some policies exclude things like pandemics or extreme sports, so know what you're getting. Number 3, assess your trip's needs. Think about the kind of trip you're taking. Going abroad, medical coverage might be a priority. Staying domestic, maybe you only need cancellation coverage. Number 4, timing matters. Some policies, especially CFAR, need to be bought soon after booking your trip, often within 2 weeks. Don't wait until the last minute. Travel insurance can be a lifesaver, but only if you know what you're getting. Hopefully this guide has helped you understand the basics so you can pick the best coverage for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more travel tips and guides.
Be strong.